The Medicity stands out as a globally renowned research institute, distinguished by the presence of India's top-tier doctors who offer an unmatched educational experience. Conveniently situated in the heart of India, near the Delhi International Airport, the Medicity is the exclusive institution that provides training under the guidance of India's eminent surgeons. Dr. M.C. Misra, formerly the Director of All India Institute of Medical Sciences. Padma Shri Dr. Professor Alka Kriplani, formerly a professor and the head of the Department of Gynecology and Obstetrics at the All India Institute of Medical Sciences, New Delhi. Dr. Professor Renu Misra, formerly a professor of Obstetrics and Gynecology at the All India Institute of Medical Sciences, New Delhi. Dr. Professor Ajay Kumar Kriplani, recipient of the Dr. B.C. Roy National Award for Best Talents, conferred by the President of India at Rashtrapati Bhavan. Dr. Professor Amrendra Kaur Bajaj, a gold medalist at the All India Institute of Medical Sciences. The Medicity exclusively offers comprehensive training divided into 5 phases. The first phase lays the theoretical foundation to grasp the fundamentals. The second phase involves live demonstrations to apply your theoretical knowledge, showcasing instrument setup and their use in the operating room. The third phase focuses on developing your hand-eye coordination through practical tasks provided by our surgeons. The fourth phase includes a wet lab experience, where you perform live surgery on an animal model. The fifth phase offers real operating theatre experience, where you join our leaders in the operating room. Moreover, the Medicity is renowned for its certifications, including fellowships and diplomas recognized and accredited by prestigious organizations such as ISO 9001, 2015, SELSI, Society of Laparoscopic and Endoscopic Surgeons, International Board of Minimal Access Surgeons, the International Accreditation Forum, IAF, National Skill Development Corporation, NSDC, the Egyptian Accreditation Council, and the Federation of Obstetric and Gynecological Societies of India. During your training, you can also enjoy indoor games designed to enhance your hand-eye coordination. These include table tennis to sharpen your focus and coordination, chess to develop quick decision-making abilities, and VR games tailored to improve your hand-eye sound coordination, as every sound plays a crucial role in the operating theatre during surgery. If you're an avid reader, our library offers a delightful selection of books for your leisure. With a global network of over 1,000 alumni, our proud graduates have achieved remarkable success as esteemed surgeons in their respective countries. We warmly welcome you to join us on this journey dedicated to saving lives and advancing patient care.